Features of Adobe Photoshop. Adobe Photoshop provides various features. Some of them are discussed below. Selection. This feature allows us to select a specific part of an image where we want to make changes. Layering. This feature allows us to work on different parts of an image which can then be put together for a dramatic finish. Alteration. This feature allows us to enlarge or reduce the size of an image as per requirement. Cropping. This feature allows us to remove an unwanted part of an image. Selective color change. This feature allows us to change the color of certain parts of an image while the rest of the image retains the original color. Slicing. This feature allows us to divide the whole image into different parts. Artificial Intelligence Assisted Upscale. This feature preserves the important details and textures without distortions while the image is resized. Quickly share your documents. This feature allows you to share documents you have created directly from Photoshop. If you are sharing a document by email, Photoshop sends out the original document, .psd file. The default format for Photoshop file is .psd, and for large images, .psb format is used. PSD stands for Photoshop Document and PSB stands for Photoshop Big. Photoshop also allows us to save file in other formats such as .jpeg, .gif, .png, .tiff, .eps, PDF, etc.